different perspective, let's ask our next panel. And please put your hands together for our next panel. We have Archana Vyas, Country Director, India, Gates Foundation, Shaina NC, Fashion Designer and World Chairperson, Giants Welfare Foundation, and Saina Nehwal, Olympic medalist. And to moderate this panel, I would like to invite Swati Joshi, Deputy News Editor, Times Now. Let's welcome them all with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, let me begin by saying that I'm extremely honored to be sharing this stage and space with all three of you. Shaina, if I may begin with you. We are indeed at the cusp of transformation, but there's still a shadow of doubt. It may or may not happen. Nobody wants to be on the wrong side of history, right? I believe that's the reason why all the political parties are saying that, we for sure share the intent. We want this to happen. How much more long do we have to wait?
27 years has been so long. Please don't even say 2034, because I don't think any woman in this country deserves any kind of wait. If we look at 1950, we had just 22 members of parliament. Look at 2026, and we have only 74, a dismal 13-14%. Assemblies, even worse, 9%. So in a country where you have 4,123 MLAs, you have only 390 women. So I think gone are the days where we want to be called bechari, lachar, usko to do ticket diya, wo ticket diya, jahan wo haregi ya jeetegi, kya fark hai, mahila ko diya hai, nari ko diya hai. So I think the Prime Minister has shown the political will, which is to take us on this platform where you have every political party that can debate. But my request is, please don't confuse the two issues. Delimitation and census aside, women's reservation is the need of the hour. My own leader, Eknath Shinde, had championed the cause of Ladki Behan, where he empowered women, whether it was healthcare, education, financial empowerment. And that's the reason why so many women from tribal areas of Gadchiroli or Konkan can dream of coming to parliament and assemblies. And why are the men worried? My serious question to all of you. You have your 543 seats. If we are getting 273 over and above to make it a tally of 815, which is a constitutional provision, there is no threat for anyone. It's a win-win for all, which people don't seem to understand. And false narratives aside, even Tamil Nadu, which has 39 seats, is getting 59. And likewise, we can continue to debate why yes, 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 and no if, but question mark.
Absolutely. Let me just quickly add a follow-up question to that. Let's say it does not happen. Do you believe there are going to be serious political ramifications, or are we just going to continue our lives because humko to aadat hai?
So, honest to God, you look at the Panchayat Raj, and I give credit where it's due. I mean, I remember Rajiv Gandhi, because 14 lakh women have been empowered. But at the same time, those women have taken up that 33% to 45, 46 and 50%. So gone are the days of Sarpanch Pati. This is the day of Nari Shakti. But having said that, I think there may be a lot of people who are threatened, worried, because we are playing on our competency. We want the opportunity. We don't want that bechari tag anymore. We want the opportunity where you are given that right as not like a flower pot somewhere in this hall, but as a woman on the main table with the male counterparts, directing, administrating and executing. And that can only happen through Nari Shakti Vandan.
That's a very important message. You're not giving us anything. It's our right, and we are only demanding what is our right. Saina, at the moment, the entire focus seems to have shifted from the women's reservation issue to the delimitation bill, and it's all entangled. Now, my question is very simple. Yes, we are asking for more participation, but do we have the ecosystem? Are we prepared?
I think we are more than prepared. Yesterday I was invited to the parliament, and I was so happy to see that कि वहाँ पे atmosphere होता कैसा है, कैसे लोग बात करते हैं. Ladies का दबदबा तो I think वहाँ पे भी खतरनाक है. And it is what really surprised me that when we speak nowadays, or when we or maybe in any field do any kind of activity, I think we are doing really well. We are improving in every way. तो जैसे ये reservation bill आया, and I was there, Sanya was there, and we were actually looking at Modi sir speaking for the bill, and we were like कि सर support करना चाहते हैं, जब चाहते हैं कि ladies भी आगे आएं, लड़कियां भी आगे आएं और भी देश के लिए काम करें. So what's the problem when we are हम as a sports person देश के लिए इतना लड़ते हैं, खून पसीना एक बहा के medals लेके आते हैं, तो हर एक field में we can do our best. It's not that के लड़के कर सकते हैं तो लड़कियां नहीं कर सकती हैं. This is the thing of the past. I think nowadays everyone is so focused that they want to be the best in each and every field. In fact, in so many companies and wherever I go for motivational talks, I see the CEOs जो भी हैं ज़्यादा ladies ही हैं men के हिसाब से. But ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें उनसे कुछ competition है या कुछ उनसे problem है, लेकिन जो रिजर्वेशन बिल है स्पेशली विमेन का होना चाहिए. वी शुड बी एबल टू फील दैट कि हम भी आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, हमें भी वो कॉन्फिडेंस है. और अगर ऐसा ही हमारी कंट्री ये दिखाएगी कि हम कर सकते हैं, देन आई थिंक द अदर कंट्रीज विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग इट अप. इनफैक्ट मैंने कल कई न्यूज़ में भी पढ़ा है कि फर्स्ट आर्मी ऑफिसर एक लेडी को बनाया गया है. आई थिंक वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया की जो वहाँ पे जो आर्मी ऑफिसर, इमेजिन आर्मी ऑफिसर एक लेडी को उधर इतनी बड़ी पोजीशन दी गई है. तो हम लोगों को भी ये बनता है कि जो ये बिल है ज़रूर पास हो और हम भी वहाँ पे इक्वल अमाउंट में देखी जाए पार्लियामेंट में. एंड इट विल बी अ बिग ड्रीम फॉर मी.
देखिए, पार्टिसिपेशन तो बढ़ रहा है. कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में लीडरशिप रोल्स में बहुत ज़्यादा महिलाएं हैं. डिफेंस में हमारे बदलाव हो रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. बट if it, like, I want to go back to that question because we've seen several delays, Archana Vyas. We've seen promises being made, promises being broken, endless debates, discussions. What we are hoping, of course, is that it does not remain a promise, it's implemented. And that's where the topic that we are discussing for this session comes into picture. Beyond reservation, how do you genuinely empower women?
Thank you, and thank you for having me. It's good to be with my women champions here. And thanks for putting the program together. At the Gates Foundation, we actually work for those who are marginalized, जो vulnerable community है, poor community है, उनके साथ काम करते हैं. More often than not, we find those who are on the margins are actually women. जो आपने question पूछा, what does empowerment mean? अगर देखा जाए तो बहुत काम हो रहा है भारत में. Right? There are many policies that have been put in place. If we look at financial inclusion, Jan Dhan Yojana hai, bahut accounts khule hain, more than crores of accounts that have been opened, more than 50 crores, and about half of them are now women. Digital financial inclusion, digital public infrastructure agar dekha jaye, usme bhi more and more women have now access to financial, they have financial access. The other thing that I would say is NRLM dekh lein, which is the self-help groups. We've got more than 100 million women who are part of self-help groups. जो मैं पहले भी कहती हूँ कि India is progressing very well. Access मिल गया, agency मिलनी चाहिए, right? And that is what empowerment is. Empowerment means that women are able to decide for their own, when they want to study, how much they want to study, कब काम करना है, कौन सा काम करना है, और आगे जाके अगर फैमिली भी डिसाइड करनी है, what is the kind of family that they'd like to decide. It is the agency that really means empowerment. The difference, let's take NRLM program. The difference is that now our Honorable Prime Minister is giving the vision of Lakhpati Didis. Lakhpati Didis mean it is not just about participation, it is about how much of financially they are going to be empowered, right? वो एक distinction लाई गई है कि कितना उनको financially empower करेंगे. As far as the foundation is concerned, we are extremely encouraged with the work that's being done. I think way forward there are 3 things that we focus on. First of all, that women should be economically empowered. इसका मतलब है कि उनको भी credit मिलना चाहिए. They should have access to market. They should be able to get. It's not about participation. It is about how much they're able to grow now, how much they're able to economically grow. The second thing is that I would say is about women's leadership, right? Board positions pe, there is a policy in place. You should have an independent woman board member, but the fact is that only about 17% of the women have C-suite jobs, right? So it is about what Saina was talking about is that when they come onto the decision making, when they come onto the table, they not only empower themselves, they also empower the environment around them, the family, the community. Women think differently. And the third thing I would say is that our strategy focuses a lot more in terms of systems that work for women. Beyond leadership, it is also about how do you think about systems that are inclusive? Agar women, 65% of women actually who work, they work in agriculture. तो क्या tools उनके लिए बनाए जाते हैं? या फिर ज़्यादातर system जो हैं, क्योंकि आदमियों ने ही सोचे हैं, आदमियों के लिए बने हुए हैं. So women coming in, deciding more for themselves, taking larger role in decision making, I think that's what's empowerment.
You're highlighting the gaps between policy making and implementation on ground. I was going to get there. That was my next question to you, Shaina. That बड़ी-बड़ी बातें करना ठीक है television पर, debates में, और policy making में महिलाओं का representation अगर बढ़ेगा, तो क्या उससे ground reality change होगी?
100%. अभी आप देखिए, हम विकसित भारत की बात करते हैं तो देश आगे जा रहा है और 50% जो भागीदार हैं वो पीछे हैं. ऐसा नहीं चल सकता है. Gender equality aside, gender parity and all these talks about men being threatened by us, they better be. They better be, because when you give a woman a role where she is empowered, she delivers. She's conscientious. She's hardworking. I also want to highlight that, people keep asking that why. You can continue to work. You have so many other options, so many other professions. Arey, why not politics? This is where every decision that a man makes for a woman, we have to accept. This is the time where we want to make those decisions for ourselves, because nobody knows our pain and our challenges more than us. And for that, my fundamental is women must support women. I have seen very closely in my 22 years in public life that it is women who bring you down. And that crab mentality is something we need to be aware of, we need to be conscious of. Women leaders do not want other women leaders. What Nari Shakti Vandan will do is, and I say with pride, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every successful woman, too, there is a man. Give credit where it's due. But at the same time, if we are in that process of decision making, I'll give you a couple of examples. प्रधानमंत्री ने बहुत सारे अच्छे चीज किए. जनधन योजना हो तो सबसे ज्यादा महिलाओं को फायदा. नारी शक्ति वंदन के through, I mean, if we look at the highlights of just Nari Shakti, not as a bill, I'm talking about in terms of day-to-day living. Ayushman Bharat, beneficiaries, women too. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, where women have a right to their own home. We are not at the mercy of someone else. That is empowerment, and that is sometimes a man giving it to us. But can you imagine when women representatives sit on that drawing board where those decisions are being framed, where they are speaking in parliament for each other, and localized communities? There's such lovely stories in our country which just don't come out. I used to do this program on television called Netri, Mahila Sansad aur Unki Kahaniyan. There was this lady, she was a member of parliament called Gomti Sai from Chhattisgarh. She used to live in a jungle. And she fought from panchayat to parliament. Contrary to what people think, her husband has never even come once to Delhi. And she has delivered on ground. There's so many such stories in this incredible Bharat of ours. So when people talk about, अरे ये तो creamy layer, ये तो ये layer, मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ समाजवादी पार्टी को आपको इतनी आपत्ति हो रही है तो जितने भी महिला रिजर्वेशन में सीट्स आपको मिलते हैं, सभी मुस्लिम महिलाओं को दो. सभी ओबीसी को दो, सभी शेड्यूल कास्ट शेड्यूल ट्राइब को दो, लेकिन दीजिए तो.
शुरुआत तो कीजिए.
बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं ये सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. जब इलेक्शन होता है तो वही सीट मिलता है जहां किसी और को नहीं चाहिए. अरे चलो ये वो महिला को दे दिया, वो हारे जीते क्या फर्क पड़ता है। नहीं, हमें वो सीट लड़ना है जहां हम जीत के आपकी आवाज बन सकते हैं, एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड कंप्लीट पब्लिक सपोर्ट।
Absolutely. I just want to quickly add to the point that you were making earlier that behind every successful woman, I think, is a setup at home.
Yes.
There's an entire family that helps you grow, that recognizes your sacrifices and
Absolutely.
is willing to walk that, extra mile with you. But, my question, Saina, is don't we need more such setups? Is the society changing? Are men more accommodating? Because, unless that happens, like she said, the crab mentality is something that we've all witnessed and experienced as well in our personal lives. That will pull you down. You need the society to change as well.
सो आई थिंक आज जहाँ पे भी मैं खड़ी हूँ इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ माई मॉम। मैं ये नहीं बोलती हूँ कि पापा ने मदद नहीं करी है, ही इज़ डन हिज बेस्ट, बट वॉट शी डिड फॉर मी इज़ आई थिंक आजकल की जो लेडीज़ हैं जो इतना काम कर रही हैं, दे वांट टू वर्क, दे वांट टू टेक केयर ऑफ द किड। आई मीन हैट्स ऑफ टू देम कि इतने सारे काम वो एक साथ कर सकती हैं एंड स्टिल दे आर नॉट टायर्ड बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे। रात भर बैठ के
We are tired, but we just go on and on
don't
and on.
say
Super
about
women,
it.
yeah, do recognize our hard work.
सी एंड देन रात में बैठ के पूरा मेरे मसाज करती थी जब मेरे पास फिजियोज और ट्रेनर्स नहीं होते थे, एंड देन शी इज रेडी टू गो नेक्स्ट डे एज वेल 4 in the morning, 25 किलोमीटर फिर जाना आना। सो आई थिंक जहाँ तक जो लेडीज़ की बात है, हम कहीं ना कहीं ज़्यादा बोलते नहीं हैं उसके बारे में, इसलिए वी जस्ट फील दैट कि शायद लेडीज़ घर का काम ज़्यादा अच्छे से संभाल सकती हैं एंड देन पॉलिटिक्स में इतना अच्छा शायद नहीं हो सकता है। बट हमारी जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी इंदिरा गांधी जी, हम उनके बारे में क्यों भूल रहे हैं? और इतने सारे सीएम जो थे हमारे, जो लेडीज़ बनी थी, और हमारी ममता बनर्जी जी भी हैं वहाँ पे, वो भी हैं, तो इतने सारे जो इतना अच्छी तरह से बात करती हैं, एंड यू फील अट्रैक्टेड व्हेन यू सी देम टॉक। व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग एक्चुअली? कल इनफैक्ट जब हम बैठे थे पार्लियामेंट में एंड आई वाज लिसनिंग टू मोदी सर स्पीकिंग एंड देयर समवन शाउटिंग, तो 50% ही कर दो ना। तो मतलब इतना जलन क्यों है इस बात से कि अगर आप 50% भी कर देंगे तो गलत क्या है कि अगर आप देश की उन्नति के लिए, देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अगर 100% भी महिला आ जाए तो इसमें गलती क्या है? इट्स नॉट दैट कि हम काम नहीं करेंगे या बैठ के वहाँ पे बस हम देखते रहेंगे, बट व्हाट द वर्क इज गिवन टू यू। इनफैक्ट जो बचपन से मुझे भी काम दिया गया है, मेरे कोच गोपी सर ने जो दिया है, मैंने उसको 8 घंटे की बजाय 9 घंटे किया है, एंड ही वाज समवन हु वाज टेलिंग मी कि थोड़ा कम भी करोगे तो चलेगा। इट्स जस्ट दैट द ड्राइव, वी हैव द ड्राइव, वी हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड अगर हमें लगेगा कि कुछ दिन हमें थकावट भी होती है, इट्स नॉट दैट, उनको भी थकावट होती है, बट वी स्टिल वांट टू बी द बेस्ट। आई हैव सीन सो मेनी गर्ल्स नाउअडेज वर्किंग, मतलब अपने जॉब के बाद दे वर्क एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स टू अर्न मनी। पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था, पहले हाउसवाइफ रहती थी एंड दे यूज्ड टू फील कि घर का काम कर लेंगे, ठीक है चलेगा, बट आजकल बहुत चीज़ें बदल गई हैं एंड दैट्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन। दे वांट टू बी एवरीवेयर, दे वांट टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, एंड टुडे आई एम सो प्राउड दैट आज मुझे यहाँ पे नारी शक्ति के ऊपर बोलने का मौका मिल रहा है, एंड आई एम इन फुल सपोर्ट ऑफ कि जितने भी हम लेडीज़ को पॉलिटिक्स में देखें और उनका जो विजन हो कंट्री के लिए वो यही हो कि देश को कैसे आगे बढ़ाना है, एंड दैट्स इट, यू नो, दैट्स व्हाट इवन द मेल आर डूइंग, दे आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग डिफरेंट। वो भी देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए काम करेंगे और हम भी वही करेंगे।
आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है, चाहे घर का काम हो चाहे कोई प्रोफेशन हो, उसमें जेंडर अटैच नहीं होता। सोसाइटी उसमें जेंडर अटैच करती है कि अगर बर्तन धोना है तो वो औरत ही धोएगी, और आप एब्सोल्युटली खाना पकाना और झाड़ू पोछा हो।
लेकिन वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट शेफ मैं नहीं है, तो क्यों भूल जाते कि घर पे काम करना है, यू नो, घर पे काम करो, झाड़ू पोछा लगाओ, क्या कमी हो जाएगी उसमें? इट्स नॉट समथिंग लाइक कि आप शर्म तो नहीं आनी चाहिए इस
आप
चीज के
दोनों
लिए।
घर में रहते हैं, आप दोनों घर चलाते हैं, तो फिर इसमें डोमेस्टिक चोर्स चाहे प्रोफेशन, उसमें जेंडर क्यों होना चाहिए? बट लेट्स बी रियल, अर्चना व्यास, है सोसाइटी हैज मेड इट लाइक दैट। लेट मी आस्क यू, आई एम श्योर देयर आर स्टिल those meetings and setups where you're the only woman in the room. I'm sure that happens to you. Is there a pushback or is there acceptance now?
The fact that we are still talking about Nari Shakti, तो मतलब it's not an equitable society, and this is not necessarily an Indian phenomena. ये global phenomena है। हमने एक McKinsey की report कराई थी about, you know, and this was in 15 countries. It was found out that within executive position, there are only about 17% of companies that are across that have women in executive positions, and there were about 1/3 of companies that did not have women in executive positions. तो ये सिर्फ भारत में नहीं है, and that is true that there are very many setups when I'm the only leader. People do say breaking the glass ceiling, but the fact is that we are in 21st century. आज भी ये बात हो रही है. It's humankind. Just because we are women, we should be treated differently. या फिर अभी भी आपको argument देनी पड़ रही है कि we are equal. If you think about it, we are like there are two genders. आपको भगवान ने बनाया है, and we should be treated equally. When we are making so much of progress, even in a country like India, या फिर बाहर भी देखें, आप space conquer कर रहे हैं. You are doing supercomputers, artificial intelligence, right? And in India specifically, when it comes to STEM, about 47% of women are in STEM there. So there's a lot of progress that's happening, but it's counterintuitive that we are having this conversation today. It is high time, and I think from the country's perspective, policies are being put in place. Participation की policies हो रही हैं. It is about empowerment. It is about leadership now. I think that's what the focus is, and that's what the focus should be. What's being debated and what's being discussed is the right issue. Look at all of us. Do we feel any different? Do we feel that we need to be empowered? We don't feel that we should.
No.
Yeah.
I feel we need to be empowered. I completely feel.
No, but
it's
I'm just
not about just wanting to be in power. It's about wanting to make a change through power.
Yes.
Yeah, that I completely agree. That I was going to say that we need more empowerment for more women, right? Cross-section of society or cross-section of society में वो empowerment नहीं है. And that's also the focus of Gates Foundation. When we say women is central to all the work that we do, whether it is health, whether it is agriculture, whether it's financial inclusion, because when they are brought to the centrality, when the leadership of women is brought not just on the margins, it's not about participation. When the leadership is given centrality, we will see progress, but we will see accelerated progress. वही difference है कि आपको accelerated progress, we are about 50% of the population. 50% of the population को अगर आप marginalize करेंगे, तो आप कैसे 5 trillion economy, कैसे विकसित भारत बनेंगे? You have to take that into account. But again, as I say, it's not just India, but it's also across the world.
Marginalize अगर आप करेंगे तो घर नहीं चल पाता, तो देश कैसे चलेगा? But what I think is that successful, influential, powerful women also need to talk about the personal challenges that they've faced. It's about breaking stereotypes as well. And there's a mental block we see happening all around us, Shaina. If she's a mother, oh, बच्चों की responsibility होगी, oh, इसका बच्चा फिर बीमार हो गया. There are these things that people talk about, and they are completely ready to write you off. I want you to tell us about these challenges that you face. जब आप आई थी नई पॉलिटिक्स में, तो क्या लोग आपको सीरियसली लेते थे बिकॉज आप एक फैशन बैकग्राउंड से आती थी?
So this is a very good question, and I can go on for hours and hours about the challenges, but I'm not a bechari. I don't want to play that card. But being a fashion designer, when I joined politics, I remember the first election I fought and I lost. And again, that ticket that nobody else wants, chalo ek lady ko de diya. Everyone said कि ये तो साड़ी पहनाती है, इसको राजनीति के बारे में क्या पता है? I said, hold your horses. And 22 years down, from becoming the spokesperson to the national executive to the treasurer then of BJP.
The first one, I believe, in Maharashtra.
Yeah, the only woman treasurer in the country. And then cut to the hard challenges of up, down. Then I fought my election from Shiv Sena 2024 for assembly from Mumba Devi, which was the hardest constituency in Maharashtra. And I got the highest votes that BJP Shiv Sena has ever got in its history. So kabhi kabar haar mein bhi jeet hoti hai. But to all those stereotypes who believe that, glamour and politics cannot coexist, or fashion and politics cannot coexist, you prove them wrong. So I think that we need to break those stereotypes also. Likewise, I'm sure for Saina, and I love it because she's Saina and I'm Shaina, and we keep on having a lot of stuff on Twitter going that way. But she must have had to also fight stereotypes that come with the sports industry. So I think everyone's challenges are different. But why I was saying about women supporting women, so I remember I was going campaigning somewhere and I was on a flight back and there was this lady and she told me, "आप तो China NC है ना?" तो I said, "हाँ." She said, "आपको क्या जरूरत है ये सब करना? आप आपके बच्चे को छोड़ के जाते हैं, क्यों आप कर रहे हो ये?" तो I felt like saying that, you know, instead of supporting and saying, how do you manage your children, your in-laws, your family, your profession and politics, which should be, wow, you can do it, let's all do it together. It was like, don't you feel guilty? So I have to openly acknowledge that I have a very, very supportive husband who stays behind the wings, does not come in front, but has also helped me through this journey.
And you know, imagine the husband's just spending even 2 hours with the child and will get praises from the entire family saying, "Arey 2 घंटा बच्चे के साथ time spend किया." But you know what? I think the women of this generation, and maybe you can add to this, are raising babies who would grow up to become very supportive fathers, husbands, and brothers. Do tell us, Saina, about your personal challenges. Did you work extra hard because also, you know, you were a woman? इसीलिए थोड़ा extra मेहनत भी की?
बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करी क्योंकि आई थिंक हरियाणा में पहले आपको पता था क्या होता था एंड मेरे पापा ने मुझे बताया आफ्टर आई बिकेम वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 दैट माय ग्रैंड मदर वांटेड बॉय हिसार में। मुझे ये लगता था कि ऐसा भी थिंकिंग थी पहले एंड आज अगर वो होती तो उनको कितना प्राउड फील होता है कि मैंने वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 बन के भी दिखाया एंड आई हैव अचीव्ड ओलंपिक मेडल। बट शायद वो टाइम पे ये थिंकिंग होती थी एंड कहीं ना कहीं हरियाणा में शायद आज भी ऐसी थिंकिंग हो। बट आई फील स्पोर्ट्स के ज़रिए जो मैंने देखा है इतना इन्वॉल्वमेंट है आजकल गर्ल्स में एंड दे रियली वांट टू अचीव द बेस्ट। इनफैक्ट इतने सारे मुझे खुद ही बोलते हैं कि कहाँ पे हमें एकेडमीज मिलेंगी और आप हमारी कोच बनेगी तो कितनी बड़ी बात होगी। तो इनफैक्ट आज ये नहीं सोच रहे हैं लड़के हो या लड़कियां कि कोई मेल कोच चाहिए हमें। दे आर लुकिंग अप एट मी कि साइना आप इतने बड़े प्लेयर बने तो हमें आपके अंडर कोचिंग चाहिए। सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आप लड़की हो या लड़का, इट मैटर्स कि आपने क्या अचीव किया है। दैट्स व्हेन पीपल रेस्पेक्ट यू। एंड मेरी जो खुद के फैमिली में आई रेस्पेक्ट माई मॉम सो मच बिकॉज शी वॉन्टेड मेरे साथ साथ मेरी बहन को भी इतने अच्छी तरह से अच्छा पढ़ाई करवाई जाए और वो अच्छी एक बड़ी अपने फील्ड में कुछ अच्छा बन सके। उसके साथ साथ मुझे भी एक ग्रेट प्लेयर बनाए। ओलंपिक के थॉट्स आ रहे थे जब हम चाइना को सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि हम हरा सकते हैं एंड दिस थॉट सॉरी टू से पापा के दिमाग में आए भी नहीं। इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई सिट विद हिम नाउ ही स्टिल फ्रस्ट्रेटेड तो निकल यहाँ से अपनी मम्मी से बात कर। आई मीन उनको लगता है कि जब इतने बड़े ड्रीम्स एक हाउसवाइफ सोच सकती है तो आजकल की लेडीज तो ऑल आर वर्किंग। इमेजिन उनको तो कितने अच्छे दे नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट, बेसिकली सोशल मीडिया में भी सब कुछ है और सब चीज़ की नॉलेज है। तो आजकल तो और भी मे बी छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी पता है कि नारी शक्ति क्या होनी चाहिए और लड़कियों के लिए क्या उनके लिए बेस्ट है। एवरीवन नोज अबाउट इट। बट उस टाइम पे शायद मुझे लगता था कि ऐसे थिंकिंग थी बट हम लोगों ने वो गलत प्रूफ किया और हमने ये दिखाया कि लड़कियां लड़कों से कम नहीं है। इनफैक्ट हर एक ओलंपिक मेडल में लड़कियां ज़्यादा मेडल लेके आ रही है लड़कों से। और ऐसा नहीं कि कोई कंपटीशन है बट इट्स जस्ट द डिबेट। और मैम ने जैसा भी बोला कि नारी शक्ति के बारे में अभी भी हम बात कर रहे हैं 2026 में। आई मीन इट्स नॉट राइट। आई मीन अभी तो ऐसा होना चाहिए था कि कितने मेडल्स हमारे पास आएंगे, हम कंट्री के लिए कितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं, बस यही थॉट होना चाहिए। नॉट अबाउट के लड़की कहाँ है लड़के कहाँ हैं। दिस इज नॉट द पॉइंट। आई मीन काफ़ी लड़के तो डर के इतना आउट मारते हैं कोर्ट पे और लड़कियां उनको हरा भी देती हैं। आई मीन दिस इज हाउ इट इज़ हैपनिंग। लड़कियां और कॉन्फिडेंट हो रही हैं। लड़कों का जो कॉन्फिडेंस है कहीं ना कहीं मैं देखती हूँ स्पोर्ट्स में थोड़ा कम भी होता है। कितनी मेडिटेशन करनी पड़ती है, कितना अपने आप को स्ट्रांग बनाना पड़ता है टू रीच दैट लेवल, नोबडी नोज। बट अभी जो मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मेरी ग्रैंड मदर ऐसे सोचती थी तो शायद आज क्या वो उनको फील होता था कि लड़का बेटर है या लड़की बेटर है। आई मीन उनके पास भी आंसर नहीं होगा बट शी विल बी सो प्राउड दैट लड़की ने इतना अच्छा किया। मेरी बहन मुझसे इतना प्राउड फील करती है। इनफैक्ट मेरे पूरे परिवार में सब इंजीनियर्स और डॉक्टर्स हैं। मैंने कहा कितने बनोगे आप डॉक्टर्स इंजीनियर, स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन भी बनो, पॉलिटिशियंस भी बनो, आगे आओ। एंड आई थिंक that attitude of mine maybe really made me a champion. And,
absolutely.
And all thanks to my mom. Yes.
We have to wrap up, but you know, very quickly, Are we confusing visibility with representation? We are sitting here in an urban setup talking about things, but is everything hunky-dory? When you talk about the remote regions, I'm not even talking about rural areas, I'm saying remote region. Has the situation changed there? And will this transformation, if it happens in the parliament and assembly level, reach the remote region as well?
I think that's the hope. What China spoke about is the fact that women who are in the position of leadership will then represent for those who don't have voices. I hope all of the women have voices, right? और हमको, but अभी representation में तो ये है कि she gave the numbers and statistics, right? So I think India has a long way to go in terms of representation. And I'm hoping that the future will be that every woman has a voice, every woman is well represented, और किसी और को किसी और की crutch की ज़रूरत नहीं हो, but at the same time, those who have the power definitely speak for those who do not have the power.
Absolutely.
So I think we are headed in the right direction.
Absolutely. I think we need support and not certification. On that note, I'm wrapping up this session. Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you for joining us.